Welcome to Kettle Labs How-To series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to create and set up a workgroup in Bitrix24. Let's get started. To locate the Workgroup tab, click on the Collaboration drop-down and then select Workgroups or search for it directly in the search bar. To create a workgroup, click on the Create button under the Workgroups and Project section. Select the project type as Workgroup and click Next. Enter the workgroup name, configure other details, and click Next again. Choose the privacy level as Private and proceed by clicking Next. From the Team Members section, click on Add Employees. A pop-up will appear, where you can choose members or invite a user. In the invitation pop-up, you will find options to invite via link, email or phone number, bulk invitation, invite to department or workgroup, add a new user, or invite a Bitrix24 partner. For this demo, use invite via email or phone number, enter the email, first name, and last name. And then click Invite. The invitation will be sent to the specific user. Close the pop-up, and the workgroup will be successfully created. To check members in a workgroup, click on the About Workgroup button, then select Members. To search for a created workgroup, click on the Filter and Search Input near the Create button. Enter the name of the workgroup in the Name input box and click Search. The created workgroup will then be visible. To modify an existing workgroup, first search for your workgroup. Once located, click on the three-line option near the checkbox and select Edit. Make the required changes and click the Change button to apply the updates to the workgroup. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Bitrix. Thanks for watching.